Hi everyone, welcome back to How We Homeschool. This is my K-12 science shelf, and it's basically all non-consumable material so that I can reuse it with each child. So let's go ahead and dive in. So first I have this little book here, which is a cute little book that each child has read. A little pamphlet here, The Life of Charles Darwin. And these three books here, which we read through, and then notebook and do whatever additional research we'd like on any subject that's found in those. In the early years, I really like to focus on nature science, nature study. So we do, the first book is in my son's curriculum box. We read through these. We also have these books here by Jean Henry Faber. The first book, The Story of Science. I used to have the book, but now we just listen to the audiobook and we read this book. This is a fun book for them to look through. We do a lot of this, so we read through these when they're a little older. And this one. And over here we have a lot more basically older grades of, I would guess you would call it nature science, astronomy, 9th grade exploring creation with general science, exploring creation with human anatomy and physiology, and chemistry and physics. This is a lower grade, kindergarten or 1st grade, 6 days of creation. This is how chemistry rocks our world, and then these are a couple of experiments. We also have more science experiments that you can eat here. So what we do is we go through and we read all of this and we notebook. These books here, we do not read through them and answer questions and do the workbooks and student books and whatever else you have. We pick through what we can find. Mostly I do keep these books. They are textbooks. I try to stay away from textbooks of all kinds, Christian textbooks, whatever, because I just don't like the learning style of them. It's really hard to find creation science in a library. So for science, we aren't able to come across creation science as easily as we are history. So I try to keep these types of books on hand, and we take the information that we need from them. This year my daughter's going to be flipping through this book, which is kind of a general science book. Okay, and then for the lower grades, I have a bunch of DVDs regarding science, creation science. Also have these creation science DVDs from Answers in Genesis that are really short, and they like to watch these as well. And then these are amazing DVDs made by Moody. And let's see here. Wonders of God's Creation, the Milky Way and our solar system, journeys to the edge of creation. So these are for the older grades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't remember. 6 DVDs of Wonders of God's Creation, which those are really good. Very, very good information inside of those. Here we have Biology 101, some more science DVDs. And then for my little one, I found some other just books that I've collected. Where are they? Just from like Jericho Road, you get like a bag of books for $1. So just like some of these that we'll read as science. and then I'll either donate them or something like that, depending on the book. If we ended up really loving the book, it's not a science book. That's one. These books, which I really like. So it's about mammals, science, people and places, human body, ancient times, a whole book on snakes, insects and spiders, and that's about it so far. So as you can see, I really like to stay away from textbooks as much as possible with all the curriculum. I hope this was an encouragement to you on how you can build your K-12 homeschool science shelf, and you can purchase non-consumable material as well and use for each additional child, and stop purchasing brand new curriculum each year for each child, because that can become costly and is not necessary. So I hope this was an encouragement to you, and until next time, bye.